This video is over the topic 1 practice problems. So this is standard number notations. And practice question number 1, we are looking for place value names. This whole big number here would be read as, if we look at these, here's the decimal point, that's the starting point. This would be 1,000. And then the next comma is the million. Next comma level is the billion. And then the trillion. So if we were reading this whole number, it would be 3,147,085,794,204.8602, or you could say and 8,600 to 10,000, but it's not usually read that way. So the 1 digit here is, we have the billion here at the 7, and then 10 billion, 100 billion. The 3, right there before that fourth comma, is the trillion place. The 5 over here, I've already marked also, is the million place. The 6 over here, the first digit after the decimal point, is the tenths place. And then we just go, just like the other direction, 10, 100,000. We do the same thing, but with the TH. So this would be hundredth. So that's the 6. And then the 9 over here, we have 1,000, then it would be 10,000. Continuing to the next question, we have practice writing each number in standard number name format. So that's where we have a number of millions, billions, trillions, thousands. So we look for the first comma becomes the decimal point, or in this case, there's no non-zero digits after that first comma, so those just all go away. So it's 239, but of course, before I completely get rid of these, I need to figure out what my name is here. So this is 1,000, million, billion here, so 239 billion. Then this next one, it's going to be 3.5, so replacing that first comma with the decimal point, and this is 1,000 million. All of those zeros, once there is no more non-zero digit, then all the zeros can just go away. And then this one here, we have 1,000, million, billion, trillion. So this is trillion. And we place that decimal point again in place of the first comma. Any non-zero digits remain. And then once it's all zeros, they go away. So 13.75 trillion. Moving on to question 3, writing each number fully in standard number format. 8 billion, we write the 8, the unwritten decimal point after the 8 becomes the comma for the billions. So I count this way as I'm writing it. The first 3 zeros, that would be 1,000. I need to go more, that's now million, and then one more to get billion. So 3 sets of zeros there. 21.53 million, I do 21, then this would be the millions, comma, I write the 5, 3, a 0 to finish out that set of 3. This would be 1,000, so I need another 3 zeros to make it be million. So I'm not adding 6 zeros, I'm adding 6 new places, but the first 2 are filled in with the 5, 3. Then practice number 4, we're adjusting to a more standardized format, so 0.278 billion. That's too small to actually be billions, so I need to drop down from billions to the next lower level name, so million. As I do that, I'm moving the decimal point 3 places as I'm moving a full comma level. And so this is 278 million. The 1,217 billion, this is bigger. This is a whole comma level above billion. So I'm going to change that billion and level it up to trillion. And as I do that, I'm moving the decimal point from this unwritten decimal point 3 places, replacing again that comma with the decimal point. So it's 1.217 trillion. Then 0.0832 thousand, and we're just going to standard number format because this is smaller than a whole thousand. So we would go down a level, but thousand is already the lowest comma level. So we would just be going down to just moving the decimal point to the normal decimal point position of a number, moving it 3 places. And so it is going to be 83.2. And then the thousand goes away. You could also look at this as replacing thousand with the number 1000. So 0.0832 times 1000 gives you that 83.2 as well. So that is the topic 1 practice. Of course, read through all those notes alongside that as well.